Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another DIY hack. Being a DIY enthusiast, my favorite materials to work with is always PLA, plywood, MDF, etc. But in some instances or the other, the structure need to be compact and more reliable. I have to choose steel rods like this. Working with these rods, I don't really enjoy it. Being a hobbyist worker, I have got very few tools to deal with these rods. One of which is a hacksaw blade, which is a painful trim to work with. Another tool is this cutting plier, which is not capable of cutting rods of this diameter and thickness. These experiences forced me to think about purchasing a power tool attachment to cut these metal rods. But these attachments cost around 500 to 1000 bucks in online stores. I am thinking of structuring one with some local hardwares available with me. These used cutting blades, broken nuts and damaged washers were thrown away by the workers of one of my nearby construction site. Anyway, these junks sparked an idea into my brain and I have decided to make an attachment with it. I decided to place the cutting blade between the two nuts with the help of two washers and tighten it to the bolt piece. I tried to align the center with the help of the steel ring of the blade and then charged it to my 10 mm drill head. But during the operation, the tension of the rod caused the blade to slip into one corner, making the rotation uneven, and thereby my plan to make the DIY cutter flop at this point of time. Later, an idea struck into my mind to align the blade at the center. This PLA printed washer became the lifesaver of my plan. This washer outer diameter is printed at the exact diameter of the center of the hole of the blade and inner diameter at the diameter of the nut piece. The thickness of the washer is printed to 1.2 mm, which is 0.1 mm lesser to the blade width. Now let's assemble the parts. Twist the nut almost to the center of the bolt, then place the washer and above that place the PLA washer. Then align the blade to the PLA washer and then place the other metal washer. Tight the whole assembly using the other nut. There is one more magical tip for using this tool. Let's see what it is. As you can see, the drill is rotating in clockwise direction. So the screws which tight clockwise should be placed at the inner side so that its movement is locked by the drill head. On the other side, the force exerted by the cutting object on the blade will create an anti-clockwise force and will keep the other side nut which will tighten in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now let's have a trial operation of our tool. Wow, look at that, how easily and smoothly our tool has finished the job in few seconds. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you found it useful, please support me by subscribing to my channel and don't forget to like and comment the video. So let's continue with our RC crawler construction in the next episode. See you then. Bye bye.